forget to like, share and subscribe.
Students, today we are going to discuss inverse of a square matrix. Question 1. By using elementary operations. Elementary operations means elementary row transformation, elementary column transformation. Find the inverse of the matrix A equal to this. एक सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज आपको याद रखनी है, अगर आप एलिमेंट्री रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कर रहे हो ERT, then you have to write A equal to IA. First steps algorithm A equal to IA. और if elementary column transformation, then write A equal to AA. This is first step. So now by elementary row transformation, let A equal to IA. If you write A equal to IA means we have to use elementary row transformation. Now first steps matrix A. First write matrix A 1 2 2 minus 1 is equal to I means identity matrix into A. This is the first steps. Put A equal to this and I equal to this. Now we have to find A inverse. We all know A into A inverse equal to identity matrix or A inverse into A equal to identity matrix. Then this is inverse of matrix A. Means we have to convert this matrix as identity matrix. If this is identity matrix, then this matrix must be A inverse. So convert this matrix into identity matrix. Means 1 0 0 1. Now procedure is first of all introduce 1 8 A11 place. In this question already 1 is there. After this, first 1 8 A11 place and then 0 8 remaining place of column 1. After this 1 8 A22 place and 0 8 remaining place of column 2. This is the procedure. 1 0 1 0 in this one. So 1 is already there. अब यहाँ पे आपको 0 लाना है. Which place this is? R2. R2 tends to. अगर यहाँ R2 लिखो तो यहाँ पे R2 ही आएगा. Coefficient of both R2 is same 1 only. Plus always write opposite sign of this. अगर यहाँ पे 2 है तो -2. अगर 3 है तो -3. And R1. यहाँ पे उस रो को लिखेंगे जिसके अंदर 1 है. अब now simplify. Apply this operation both the side in first matrix and this matrix. R1 write as it is 1 2 1 0. अब now change R2 with the help of this. R2 plus -2 R1 यानी इसमें -2 से इंटू करना है R1 में और R2 में प्लस करना है. -2 into 1 -2 -2 plus 2 0. -2 into R1 means -2 into 2 -4 and -1 -5. -2 plus 0 -2 -2 into 0 0 plus 1 1. So 1 then 0. अब यहाँ पे आपको क्या लाना 1. जब भी इस कॉर्नर पे आपको 1 लाना हो, एक ही सिचुएशन है. मल्टीप्लाई R2 बाय इट्स रेसिप्रोकल मीन्स -1/5. 1 2 1 0 A. अब now multiply by -1/5. -1/5 into 0 0. -1/5 into -5 1. This into this 2/5 and this into this minus 1 by 5. यहाँ पे बनाएंगे 1 0 1. अब इस प्लेस पे 0 लाना है. So then apply formula. R1 tends to R1 plus opposite side of this, opposite sign of 2 means minus 2 into R2. Right, R2 as it is, सिर्फ हम R1 में चेंज करना है. फर्स्ट राइट 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5 8. अब नाउ minus 2 into R2, minus 2 into 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, minus 2 into 1 minus 2 or 2 0. अब minus 2 into this means minus 4 by 5 plus 1, so 1 by 5. Minus 2 into this 2 by 5. अब this is the identity matrix, implies I equal to 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5 into A. अब now combine with this equation, I equal to A inverse into A. A into its inverse is equal to identity matrix. It means this is inverse of A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. तो कॉलम से भी करते हैं by column transformation, elementary column transformation. So let A equal to AI. A equal to A means elementary column transformation, so no need to write statement. Now put value of A 1 2 minus 1 3 is equal to A, and I matrix means identity matrix 0 1. अब this time elementary transformation, so algorithm is first introduce 1 at A11 place and 0 at remaining place of row 1. Then 1 at A22 place and 0 at remaining place of R2. So 1 0 1 0 in this way. So first steps, 1 is already there. अब यहाँ पे आपको 0 लाना है इस प्लेस पे, remaining place of R1. And this time use only column throughout the question. Don't use row or column together. C2, this is C2. C2 tends to C2 plus C1. When we get minus 1 plus 1, we get 0. So C2 plus C1. So write C1 as it is. Here also write C1 as it is. अब now change C2. C2 plus C1, minus 1 plus 1, 0. 3 plus 2, 5. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Apply this operation both the sides. अब now 1 0. Now introduce 1. कॉर्नर पे हमेशा एक ही C2 tends to 1 by 5 into C2. इसके रेसिप्रोकल हमेशा मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So 1 2 multiplied by 1 by 5. So 0 1 is equal to a 1 0 1 by 5 1 by 5. अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप, यहाँ पे 0 लाना है. 1 0 1 and 0 this place. So C1 tends to C1 plus opposite sign minus 2 into C2. जिस इसमें माइनस 2 से इंटू करके इसमें प्लस करेंगे तो माइनस 2 और 2 0 आ जाएगा. सो माइनस 2 इंटू 0 और प्लस 1, सो 1 ओनली. माइनस 2 प्लस 2 0, सो 0 1 इज इक्वल टू ए माइनस 2 इंटू C2 और इसमें प्लस करो माइनस 2 बाय 5 प्लस 1, सो 3 बाय 5 minus 2 by 5, so minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 5 1 by 5. Next step, I equal to A into 3 by 5 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5 1 by 5. Now compare with this equation. I equal to A into A inverse. Product of this and this identity matrix means this is A inverse. So therefore A inverse is equal to 3 by 5 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5 1 by 5. Next problem. By using elementary operations, find the inverse of the matrix A equal to this. Let A equal to IA means elementary row transformation. Meaning of this. First steps write 6 minus 2 minus 3 1 is equal to I. Identity matrix 1 0 0 1 into A. First steps, introduce 1 at A11 place, then 0 at remaining place of column 1, then 1 at A22 place and 0 at remaining place of column 2. This is the procedure. अब यहाँ पे 1 लेके आना है. We all know sum, difference of two even number is always even. So we never get 1 here by any operation. So in first steps multiply throughout by 1 by 6. There is no choice, that only one option is there. So R1 tends to 1 by 6 into R1. अगर 1 नहीं आ रहा हो तो हमेशा रेसिप्रोकल से मल्टीप्लाई करके ब्रेकिंग होगी. 6 into 1 by 6 1 by 6 into minus 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 1 as it is 1 by 6 0 0 1 into A. अब now 0 8 remaining place of column 1. So R2 tends to R2 plus opposite sign means 2 into R1. Right, R1 as it is 1 minus 1 by 2 1 by 6 0 A. Now 2 into R1 2 minus 2 0 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 0 2 into 1 by 6 1 by 3 plus 0 1 by 3 2 into 0 0 plus 1 1. Since we have all 0 in row 2, therefore A inverse does not exist. Whenever we get all 0 in any one of the row or column, then A inverse does not exist. Next problem. By using elementary operations, means either row transformation or column transformation, find the inverse of the matrix. In both the method, first introduce 1 at A11 place. अब यहाँ पे 1 लाना है. If you use elementary row transformation, लेकिन 1 लाने में थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आएगी. पहले 7 4 को अपन ऊपर लिखेंगे, 2 1 को नीचे, then 7 minus 3 times 2. So use column transformation. Let A equal to AI. Elementary column transformation. इन एग्जाम कहीं लिखा होने का कौन सा मेथड है, आप अपने हिसाब से कोई सा मेथड यूज कर सकते हैं. So first A 2 7 1 4 is equal to A 1 0 0 1. In elementary column transformation, introduce 1 at A11 place and 0 at remaining place of row 1. Then 1 at A22 place and 0 at remaining place of R2. So in this way 1 0 1 and 0. First steps, C1 C2 means interchanging C1 and C2. There are two choices, either C1 C2 interchanging C1 C2 or subtract C1 minus C2. C1 tends to C1 minus C2. Both are applicable, but it is easier first one. So 1 4 2 7. Apply same operation in right hand side in identity matrix 0 1 1 0. अब now 0 dead place, तो C2 tends to C2 plus opposite sign minus 2 into C1. So minus 2 into minus 2 plus 2 0, minus 8 plus 7 minus 1. Write 1 4 as it is. Apply same operation that side. Write C1 as it is. Minus 2 into 0, 0 plus 1 1, minus 2. अब यहाँ पे आपको 1 लाना है, so multiply C2 by minus 1. C2 tends to minus 1 into C2. So we get 1 4 0 1 equal to a 0 1 minus 1 2. 1 0 1 1 0 1. अब यहाँ पे 4 की जगह क्या लाना है? 0. So next operation is C1 tends to C1 plus opposite sign minus 4 into C2. So this time हम किसको चेंज कर रहे हैं? C1 को. So write C2 as it is. 0 1 minus 1 2 and matrix है. अब now change minus 4 into 0 plus 1, so 1 minus 4 4 0, minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4, minus 4 into 2 minus 8 or 1 minus 7. This is identity matrix equal to A into 4 minus 7 minus 1 2. On comparing with I equal to A into A inverse. A inverse is equal to 4 minus 7 minus 1 2. Next problem. By using elementary operations, find the inverse of the matrix A equal to this. Let A equal to IA means elementary row transformation. You can use any one, either elementary row transformation or elementary column transformation. Now substitute value of A. 2 3 5 7 is equal to identity matrix 1 0 0 1 into A. Procedure. First introduce 1 8 A1 1 place and 0 at remaining place of column 1. After this 1 8 A2 2 place and 0 at remaining place of column 2. अब यहाँ पे 1 लेके आना है. 2 minus 3 we get minus 1. Okay, so just subtract first. R1 tends to R1 minus R2. 2 minus 3 minus 1, 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3 7 as it is. 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1. Abhi want plus 1, so multiply R1 with minus 1, so R1 tends to minus 1 into R1, so we get 1 2 minus 1 plus 1 and write R2 as it is 3 7 0 1. अब now 0 at remaining place of column 1, so R2 tends to R2 plus 0 ना R2 tends to R2 plus opposite sign of this minus 3 into R1. R2 को चेंज कर रहे हैं, R1 को चेंज नहीं करना, R1 लिख लो पहले, -1 1 a। अब -3 इंटू R1, -3 का इंटू करते जाओ, प्लस करते जाओ, -3 और 3 0, -6 और 7 1, +3 और 0 3, -3 और 1 -2। अब यहाँ पे 1 लाना, ऑलरेडी 1 आ गया, तो इसी प्लेस पे 0 लाना है। R1 टेंस टू R1 प्लस -2 इंटू R2, अपोजिट साइन ऑफ दिस। इसको आप R1 -2 R2 भी लिख सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट है 1 0 0 1 एज इट इज, 3 -2 as it is, only change R1 with the help of this formula, -2 into 0 plus 1 1, -2 or 2 0, -2 into 3 -6 और -1 -7, -2 into -2 plus 2, so +4 और 1 5। Next step, this is identity matrix. So -7 5 3 -2 8. On comparing with I equal to A inverse into A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to -7 5 3 -2. In next lecture, we will discuss inverse of a matrix of order 3. Thank you. Have a nice day.